Civil Passage Number 5 start. Through this petition, the petitioner has impugned certain amendments purported to have been made in the Sindh Local Government Ordinance (SLGO) of 2001, hereinafter referred to as the SLGO, whereby local governments in the province of Sindh were dissolved, elected representatives of the people were removed, and in their place non-elected and hand-picked administrators, bureaucrats were appointed. The local government elections, which became due in the year 2009, were not held, and time for holding such elections was extended and finally was postponed indefinitely. The petitioner is the president of the Local Council Association of Sindh and the former Zila Nazim of district Tando Alayar, and she intends to contest the forthcoming local government elections from the said district. It is the case of the petitioner that a debate under the National Reconstruction Bureau (NRB) was organized in order to provide an efficient system of government, and thereafter on 23/3/2000 a draft for establishment of local government was proposed by the government of Pakistan. In the light of the said debate, the aim of establishing local government was to devolve power to the elected representatives at the grassroots level for achievement of good governance. Thereafter, identical laws were promulgated for all the four provinces, and accordingly, on 13/8/2001, the SLGO was promulgated by Respondent number 2, Governor of Sindh, to achieve good governance through institutionalized participation of people at the grassroots level. According to the petitioner, the most significant aspect of the new local government system was a departure from bureaucratic system introduced by the British Raj, based on the theory of colonialism, and thus a domination by the strong over the weak and the rule by a minority without the consent of the governed. Such departure from the bureaucratic system towards the new local government system was made to empower the people through institutionalized participation of people at the grassroots level. For this purpose, each district/city district was subdivided into talukas/towns, which were further subdivided into unions where 13 members from each union were to be elected firstly by the residents of that union, and then those elected representatives of the unions would in turn vote for the taluka/town head and the district/city district head. District/city district Nazim. The main object of this new local government system was to ensure that the political, administrative, and financial responsibility by devolution of power is entrusted to the elected representatives at the lowest level. Full stop and close.